Welcome back. You're watching the Round 1 action in TVJ's Junior Schools Challenge Quiz 2021. The scores are Catherine Hall Primary on 11 and Sunbury All Age also on 11. Let's now go to the final challenge. In this section, questions will be thrown open to both teams, with the first team pressing the buzzer earning the right to answer after being identified. Teams will earn 2 points for each correct answer, but lose 2 points if the answer is incorrect or incomplete. The team pressing the buzzer has 5 seconds to answer. This section lasts for 4 minutes, so let's see that time on the Guardian Achiever clock. Teams, we will begin with local affairs. This is a visual question. Please look at the monitor and identify this person. Member of Parliament George Wright. Sports. In the sport of cricket, what is the name of the smaller sticks placed on top of the 3 stumps to form a wicket? A bail or bails. Bible knowledge. What is the last book of the Bible's Old Testament? Catherine Hall?
Malachi.
Correct. Science. What are the 2 main categories into which animals can be classified?
Vertebrates and invertebrates. Vertebrates and invertebrates.
Correct. English language. By using the word dogs, give a proverb which means one should not be afraid of people that threaten, as they rarely take action. The bell came first. Barking dogs seldom bite. Music. The singer Justin Timberlake was an original member of which group? In sync. General knowledge. In what country would you find the cities of Hamburg and Frankfurt?
France.
The bell came first. Germany. Theatre. This is a visual question. Please look at the monitor and identify this actress. Lisa Bonet. Mathematics. If 14 multiplied by A is equal to 84, what is 3A? Catherine Hall.
18.
Correct. Social studies. In which Caribbean country is the famous Grand Anse Beach? Grenada. Television. Who plays the role of Clark Kent in the television series Smallville? Tom Welling. Sports. This is a visual question. Please look at the monitor and identify this person. He is professional footballer Paul Pogba. Bible knowledge. In which book of the Bible is the verse, "The wages of sin is death, but the gift of God is eternal life"? Romans. Science. What is the name of substances secreted by the stomach which help to break down food? Catherine Hall?
Sulfuric acid.
Incorrect. It's either enzymes or gastric juice. English language. Spell the word terrific. Sunbury?
Terrific.
Correct. Music. Complete the title of this Bob Marley song. Trench Town? Rock. General knowledge. What is the capital of Pakistan? Islamabad. Local affairs. The JNHT manages and promotes local heritage and heritage sites. What does JNHT stand for, that would have been the Jamaica National Heritage Trust, and that is the bell signifying the end of this round and the end of today's match. The final scores now read Catherine Hall Primary on 15 and Sunbury All Age on 13 points. So congratulations to Catherine Hall Primary and well tried by Sunbury All Age. We'll be back after this.